he's ready to play. Zoom in the globe in a brand new way. With games and friends and stories so bright, he helps kids talk and find their light. Zazu's world is wild and fun. Come explore with everyone.
Hi friends, it's me, Zazu. Today I'm learning something fun, how to comb my hair. First, I look in the mirror and see my hair. My soft brown hair is so fluffy today. Oh, wow! I must say my hair looks a little messy. I think I need to comb my hair. This is my comb. I use it to comb my hair. It's shiny, smooth, and ready to help my hair. I hold the comb tight in my hand so that I can use it to comb my hair. Not too hard, not too soft. Now, I am going to start combing my hair. 1, 2, 3 gentle strokes. Combing my hair feels so nice. It makes my hair smooth and soft and neat. Oops, a little tangle in my hair. Don't worry though, slow and gentle combing works best. There, I did it. My hair is all smooth again. No more tangles. I did it all by myself. Let's try and say a sentence together. I'm combing my hair. Good job, friends. Now, I help my friend Mr. Parrot comb his feathers. Everyone needs to stay tidy in the jungle. Oh no, Mr. Parrot's feathers are all tickly. Combing can be funny too. Now, it's your turn. Pretend to comb your hair with me. Ready? Go ahead and comb your hair. Oh, wow! Your hair looks amazing. You really know how to comb your hair. Now let's put the comb back in its place so that it's nice and clean for the next time we need it. When we're done combing hair, we feel fresh and ready for the day. We look great and feel great. Let's say our words again. Hair, comb, combing hair. Do you want to try and say it with me? Great job, friends! You combed your hair just like me. I am so proud of you. Now my hair is happy and so am I. Thanks for helping me, friends. I hope to see you on my next big adventure.